Now let's consider again this purchase order handling process with the following extension. If an item is not available, any processing related to the purchase order must be stopped. Thereafter, the client needs to be notified that the purchase order cannot be further processed. So in this particular scenario, we are handling the unavailability of the items in the order as an exception, because exceptions are typically infrequent behavior. So we are assuming that in this scenario, items most of the times will be in stock. So whenever they aren't in stock, then we are going to handle that as a special case, indeed as an exception. We modify the content of our expanded subprocess by putting an XOR split at the end of activity check availability, with two possible outcomes. Items are available, in which case we send the purchase order response to the customer, or items aren't available, in which case we trigger an error event. So we use an AND error event, which is caught by an intermediate catching error event attached to the boundary of that subprocess and bearing the same label, items not available. Upon which we can simply conclude this process with an AND throwing message event that we will use to notify the customer. So the catching intermediate error event must be attached to the boundary of the subprocess, or in general of the activity that we want to interrupt, and the error that it can catch must be thrown from within the same activity and bear the same label.